So have you all heard of the video that's been circulating, the one about feminism by Divyangna Trivedi? My friend asked me what my take on it was, so I watched it to tell her my take on it, and I regretted it.
Guys, Divyangna Trivedi this side.
So here are my thoughts on this video.
Today I'm here with this video which might trigger a lot of people, but it's not to offend anybody. Trust me, it's not to offend anybody. My intention is peace.
पीस का साइन तो ये होता है ना, ये क्या है? ओके ठीक है, ओके आई ट्रस्ट यू, जो बोलना है बोल, आई ट्रस्ट यू.
और हाँ, मैं इस वीडियो के बारे में दो साल से सोच रही थी.
2 years, wow. She is more committed to this thought than I have been to anything in my entire life.
And opposition is always welcome. I'm subject to correction, so I'll accept whatever you'll say if it makes sense.
चल झूठी.
So yes, please listen. Today I want to talk to all of those who propagate this agenda of feminism. And not only to them, but to everyone who knows this concept. Because I'll be clear about it. First things first. I'm against feminism. हाँ जी, ध्यान से देख लीजिए मेरा चेहरा. ध्यान से देखिए ये चेहरा. ये फेमिनिज्म के अगेंस्ट है, लड़की होकर. I'll just tell you why.
Please do. Please enlighten everybody.
You know, अगर आपका ये कॉन्सेप्ट लॉजिकल होता, अगर ये वही होता जो आप दिखाते हैं, अगर जो आप पेपर पे लिखते हैं, तो मैं मान लेती. पर ये वैसा है नहीं.
कॉन्सेप्ट ब्रो, कॉन्सेप्ट तो वैसा ही है. आई मीन श्योर इट हैज इवॉल्व्ड, इट्स अ थ्योरी, इट्स अ मूवमेंट. तो वेट, आपको लगता है कि ये जो मूवमेंट 19th सेंचुरी से इवॉल्व होता जा रहा है, उस मूवमेंट का कोर कॉन्सेप्ट जो हम पेपर पे लिखते हैं वो वैसा है नहीं?
Now your feminism is just about demeaning men.
That is called misandry.
Just about, you know, supremacy of women over men.
और उसे pseudo feminism कहते हैं. पूरा वीडियो बनाया है, but you have no idea what you're talking about. खैर छोड़ो, continue.
If you were talking about equality, लेकिन आपका तो word ही feminism है. Feminine. men तो आए.
Sis. जब ये मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ था तो सोसाइटी इतनी पेट्रियार्कल थी. पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी का मतलब है a society where men are equal to men and women are considered inferior. So women fought to be considered equal to their male counterparts. And newsflash, we still live in a patriarchal society, which is why feminism is still important and it's still required. Feminism is equal to equality. Equality is equal to feminism. And it started for the upliftment of women. तो हाँ, नाम feminism है. But that doesn't mean that it's trying to make men inferior. But नहीं, आप अपनी बकचोदी finish कर लो पहले.
तो आपका इक्वालिटी का जो पिलर, जो आपका स्तंभ था मेन, वो तोड़ गया यार. और आपका कॉन्सेप्ट भी ऐसा नहीं है, पता है. मतलब आई हैव रेड जो आपके प्रिंसिपल्स में, पर उसका मतलब एक भी चीज यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग. व्हाट यू आर फॉलोइंग इज दैट हाँ, हम डोमिनेट कैसे करें आदमियों को.
थोड़ा तो मतलब पढ़ लिया होता, गूगल पे मतलब टाइप, क्लिक, फेमिनिज्म, डेफिनेशन. मुश्किल नहीं है. द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड पुअर एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. दैट डजंट मीन दैट फेमिनिज्म एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट इज रॉन्ग. वेट, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. ओवर हियर, इफ द कॉन्सेप्ट इज playing the guitar, then this is poor execution of the concept.
And please यार, मतलब ये बोलना तो बंद कर दो respect women. Why? Just because you're a woman?
हाँ, ये पॉइंट तो सही है. People should be given respect regardless of their gender.
How would you get respect just because you're of a particular gender? तुम्हें क्या लगता है हर आदमी को respect मिलती है? नहीं यार, उनको भी जूते पड़ते हैं घर पे अगर कुछ काम नहीं करते हो, ठीक है. बट अगर यही चीज़ तुम्हारे साथ हो ना, तो तुम फेमिनिज्म चिल्लाओगे. हम अपने बेटों को तो ये सिखा देते दैट रिस्पेक्ट वुमेन, लेकिन हम अपनी बेटियों को तो सिखाते ही नहीं कि रिस्पेक्ट मेन ऑल्सो.
कभी सोचा है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंडियन हाउस होल्ड्स में, इंडियन घरों में अपने पिताजी के साथ उनके बातें और उनकी मम्मी के साथ उनके बातें बहुत अलग है. अगर घर में ही ऐसा है तो सोचो बाहर कैसे होगा. फेमिनिस्ट ये नहीं कहते हैं कि रिस्पेक्ट वुमेन बिकॉज दे आर वुमेन. फेमिनिस्ट कहते हैं कि रिस्पेक्ट वुमेन इवन दो दे आर वुमेन इन स्पाइट ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट दे आर वुमेन.
सो हाँ, अगर तुम्हारा कॉन्सेप्ट सिर्फ इतना होता दैट यू आर अपलिफ्टिंग दोज हु आर नॉट एबल टू वॉइस देयर ओपिनियन एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू वॉइस देयर प्रॉब्लम और दे आर मोलेस्टेड एंड सप्रेस्ड, आई वुड हैव टेकन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट अंडर दिस रूब्रिक. मैं कुछ बोलती भी नहीं, पता है. आई वुड हैव बीन विद यू. इन फैक्ट मैं भी बोलती मैं फेमिनिस्ट हूँ.
ऐसा लॉजिक के साथ मैं भी कहती कि मैं गिटारिस्ट हूँ.
बट मैं नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि तुम लोगों ने इसे इतना डर्टी गेम बना दिया दैट You people have created the social difference and that social difference has now become a social division. तुमने gender division बना दिया, पता है?
भाई क्या बोलूं इनको? Listen, सोसाइटी में सोशल डिफरेंसेस और डिविजन्स होने के वजह से फेमिनिज्म शुरू हुई थी और आप कह रहे हैं कि फेमिनिज्म ने ये डिफरेंसेस क्रिएट की हैं? वाह,
हद है भाई, मतलब ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, थोड़ा लॉजिक बना दो. Take things in the right way. Don't just say things because वो cool हैं.
ओ भाई, मारो मुझे, मुझे मारो.
You should really take your own advice.
And और क्या बोलना था मुझे? One second.
हाँ, take your time. I'm glad that you're using this platform to talk about something that you quite frankly haven't spoken about yet, while there are actual feminists out there helping underprivileged people who don't really have the access to the internet and technology that we do.
So yeah, I'm thinking, मैं और क्या बोलने वाली थी, मैं भूल गई.
हाँ, होता है, 2 साल ले लिए तो और 1 मिनट में क्या है? Take your time.
And yeah, the case, Manav Singh case. Many of you might say that, you know, इससे पहले बहुत cases हुए हैं, Nirbhaya case and this and that case. You know, you should talk about that also. You'll tell me that in return, feminist. That's the only comeback you have.
Bro, she's not a comeback. She was a person, and what happened to her was severely messed up. Comeback नहीं थी वो. And I get that you're not saying it in that way, but ऐसा बोलना itself is really not cool.
I'll tell you one thing now. You know, there are many males who are also molested. The cases just don't come up. आप उन्हें तो voice नहीं करते. अब मैं बोलूँ? अब आप बोलोगे रेशियो कम ज़्यादा है. Mainly वही होती हैं.
ऐसा कोई feminist नहीं बोलता है. अगर एक लड़की को कुछ हुआ and it becomes a big deal, और अगर एक लड़के को कुछ हुआ and it doesn't become a big deal, then feminism talks about why it should be a big deal as well. Feminism is equal to equality. Equality is equal to feminism. If your brain can't comprehend that, it sounds like your personal problem.
मतलब ये concept तो नहीं है ना कि because you are minority, मतलब that means you don't exist.
हैं?
और अगर आप कहते हो कि हम women, you know, we are in minority, so that also does not give you the right to have majority, like power over majority.
ये कौन बोल रहा है भाई? Bro, she's talking as a female infanticide is not a problem only in India. Yeah, it's not like we burned widows in the past. It's not like kings won battles and got kingdoms and wives as a buy one get one. It's not even like they bought anything. It's more like a get one.
And also our system is not very equipped. I'm very sad about it that हमारा system तक इसके लिए equipped नहीं है कि अगर कोई fake allegation लगाता है किसी के ऊपर, so they don't have the right justice system. तो but yeah, the main topic right now is क्या था?
Instead of spending 2 years thinking about this, if you would have just researched and educated yourself about the topic, maybe I wouldn't have to watch you forget that and my brain cells would still be intact.
हाँ, यही कि and ऊपर से even the DV Act 2005, that is Domestic Violence Act, it does not include males. मतलब उनको अगर पीटा जाए तो ठीक है भाई, मतलब हाँ, हमारी छोरी छोरों से कम है कि you know, that's not how it is supposed to be, okay? Like just because you're a woman, you will beat him up and it becomes a joke and a scene of bravery. And अगर एक आदमी मार दे तो feminism.
Based on what you're saying, this sounds like a problem in the law enforcement system. And feminism, though, in fact, talks about that. Domestic violence against men. So...
all I'm trying to say is, please don't misuse this word.
No, you please don't misuse this word. पूरे वीडियो में misuse करके बोलती है, misuse मत करो.
हद है यार. So yeah, this is all I wanted to say. And if it has reached you right, I'm more than happy. If it has not reached you right, then please listen to the video. So please don't use this everywhere. That just because I'm a female, you can't do this. Just because I'm a female, you have to respect me. Just because I'm a female, blah, blah, blah. Don't do that, please.
You don't do that.
That doesn't make sense to any of us.
Yeah, gibberish often does not.
And please use the concept right and just stay happy.
उदास करा के बोलती है stay happy. Swimming pool में किसी को फेंक के बोलूं stay dry.
And with this, I would like to sign off, rest my case, and yes, I will stick to my words.
तो शुरू में मतलब opposition is welcome.
झूठी.
Thank you.
No, thank you for reinstating my trust issues. सिंपल सी बात है, आपने सूडो फेमिनिज्म के बारे में बात की है. That is a problem. They have misunderstood what feminism is, just like you have misinterpreted it and literally bashed all feminists and the concept itself. I'm a vlogger. I don't even make videos like this. But yours, yours, kya batao. I stayed up till 5 a.m. because I was baffled by your video. I was like, either this girl is tripping or I'm tripping. I feel the word afsos so strongly right now. But in all seriousness, I'm gonna put links of certain videos that I think explain what feminism is really well and fill in the gaps of this girl's video. So please do give them a watch because they explain everything much better than I do.
ये मीम बिल्कुल भी कूल नहीं है जिसने भी बनाया था, ठीक है?